Hi dear friends! If you are planning to clean exterior of your kitchen fridge, pay attention to its color and material. Both affect the method you will apply and cleaning supply you will be using.
If your fridge in the kitchen is of white color, you can easily remove dirt with the help of a wet magic eraser sponge. Rub places near and around handle and the handle itself, where dirt and fingerprints are usually concentrated. Afterwards, right away, wipe down those places with microfiber cloth. In order to remove fingerprints off your stainless steel fridge, you can use Weiman products. There are two kinds of them on the market. One is stainless steel wipes, another is a spray. Take stainless steel wipe and thoroughly remove all the dirt and fingerprints from outside of your fridge. After that, polish it well with a thick microfiber cloth. Polishing with a microfiber cloth is very important when you clean your stainless steel fridge outside. It's polishing that helps delete both dirt and residue from the fridge and makes it shiny. If you have fridge of black color in your kitchen and there are multiple fingerprints and other dirt on it, take wet terry cotton rag and remove all of them. After you have removed all stains and dirt from your black fridge, take a microfiber cloth and delete excess of moisture first. Then polish it thoroughly. That's it.